Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make custom bullet points in Webflow. If you've ever wanted to swap out those boring default dots for something unique and totally your own, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to add custom bullet images, but you'll also understand how to fine-tune their look for a truly professional finish. Let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do is add a container to your page. The container is essentially a neat little box that gives your content structure and keeps everything looking tidy, especially when your page is viewed on different screen sizes. Think of it as a digital container for your list, preventing it from sprawling all over the place and making your design look a lot more polished. Inside that container, you'll want to add a list element. In Webflow, the list gives you the standard bullet points, but today we're customizing those. Now, by default, a new list comes with 3 items. For this process, we want to start clean. Go ahead and delete all the list items except for one. This might feel counterintuitive at first, kind of like erasing your doodle so you can sketch something better, but it's going to make our customization much simpler and more controlled. Let's say you want to swap the usual bullet for a custom icon or image. This is where things get fun. Select your remaining list item and with it highlighted, jump over to the background settings. Here you'll upload or select your custom bullet image. It could be anything, a checkmark, a star, or your brand's logo. The key is that it should be small and clear since it's acting as the bullet point. Once you've added the image, set its size to 1 rem by 1 rem. That's roughly the size of standard text, which helps it blend in naturally instead of overpowering your list. Now, placement is important. Set the background image position to center. This ensures your custom bullet sits neatly rather than clinging to one side or appearing off balance. And make sure you select no tile. We only want one bullet, not a whole row of repeating images, so this part is crucial. If you forget this, you'll notice your image pattern repeats behind your text, and trust me, it gets messy quickly. Next, add your list text, maybe it's custom bullet example or whatever fits your needs. You'll probably notice the text is overlapping that new custom bullet image. This happens a lot and can look pretty strange, but don't worry, all you need to do is add some padding on the left side of your list item. Padding acts like a buffer, nudging your text further away from the bullet image so everything's readable and visually balanced. You'll want to play around a bit with the exact value until it looks just right. Usually something like 1 or 2 rems does the trick. Once the first custom bullet is looking good, it's time to multiply your work. Head back to the navigator panel. Here, you can simply copy your styled list item and paste it as many times as you need. Each pasted item will keep your custom bullet styling, making it quick to build out a full list without repeating all those steps. That's all there is to it. You've now got a set of beautifully customized bullet points in Webflow, totally tailored to your project. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want to share your own creative bullet ideas, drop me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more Webflow tips and creative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.